Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can download Notepad++ and install. So on the search you can search as Notepad++ download. See here, this is the website. You need to click notepad++.org/downloads. Here you can choose any of the software to download, but I am choosing this one. See, this download Notepad++ version 8.6.7. Okay, when you click on this, here you'll find the download option. You need to click on this. Once you click on this, the downloads gets automatically started. See here, it is 4.6 MB. You can directly double click on it here. So now your computer will ask the permission to install this. Just click S so that this installation starts. English is okay, fine. I'll click on next. The path is okay. Next, create a desktop icon. Yes, install. Yeah, it just took me less than a minute to install this. Once this is installed, it just opens up like a notepad. So I'm clicking on the finish. Yeah, so I'll minimize this browser, minimize everything. Okay, where is this Notepad++? Yeah, yesterday I did this material view customization for the desktop home screen. If you want that video tutorial, check in the description. See, this is the Notepad what I have just installed. I'll just open one file, click on file, then click on open. There is .ini file on my computer in the MySQL. So this PC, under program data, under MySQL, under server 8.0, there is my.ini. For this purpose I have installed this Notepad++, and see, I'm searching something and I'll save it. So this is the way you can download and install Notepad++ on your Windows 10 or 11. And yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and thanks for watching.